Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
All right, let's take a quick look at some of the damage left behind by this storm system that's headed our way. The National Weather Service confirms a small tornado touched down in a St. Louis suburb last night. An EF0 uprooted trees and damaged homes there. The storms dropped as much as 4 inches of rain in some parts of Missouri, and no injuries were reported. And that same system now bringing us the threat of some severe weather this evening and also the potential for some heavy rain. Here's your forecast. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the area, mainly across our northern counties at 7 o'clock. But as we go through the remainder of the evening, rain chances will increase farther and farther south as the cold front heads our way. Temperatures will be in the 70s this evening. And then late night cold front comes through. Looks like showers will be winding down early in the day tomorrow, 62 at 8 o'clock, and then 65 at noon and only 68 at 5 p.m. So much cooler weather on tap for tomorrow, less humid as well. A tornado watch continues in effect from Butler, Montgomery, up to Champaign, Logan counties, and points on northwestward until 9 o'clock this evening. And right now on Live Doppler 2 HD, still dry down here, but we are tracking a couple of strong thunderstorms moving into Mercer County. Right now around Fort Recovery, looking at some of that heavy rain, and this storm is heading up towards Coldwater and Salina. Occasionally we have seen some rotation with this storm, so we'll keep an eye on it in case any severe thunderstorm warnings or perhaps even a tornado warning is issued as it continues to track northeastward. One area where we are seeing a tornado, and it's confirmed and on the ground, that is up in the vicinity of Akron. We've had reports of a tornado with this storm cell right here. It looks like it's going just north of Akron now, but spotters have confirmed a tornado on the ground with that, and it looks like just south of Orrville, a new tornado warning has just been issued with a storm that'll be tracking northeastward there up towards the Akron area and northeast Ohio. But back our way, we are looking at strong to severe thunderstorms breaking out over the west central portions of Indiana. These will continue to head our way, and another line all the way back to Springfield, Illinois, and this will eventually push southeastward. Probably won't see that come through till midnight or a little bit beyond, so even past midnight there's still a chance of some damaging winds as that line of thunderstorms comes through. A low risk of hail, moderate risk of wind damage, could be an isolated tornado this evening, but that's a low risk as well. And that heavy rain that we were talking about over Missouri, we could be dealing with some of that as well here overnight and into early tomorrow morning. Now tomorrow there's that much cooler air coming in, highs into the upper 60s and low 70s. Overnight our dew points will be dropping, so sticky through this evening, but then we get back to that pleasant, less humid air during the day tomorrow. Right now we're at 81 degrees. It is windy out there, a south-southwest wind at 20, but look at that dew point at 70, giving us a heat index value at 85. 70s to the north where we're seeing the rain, up around 80, low 80s across the southern Miami Valley. As I mentioned there, looking at some of those gustier south and southwest winds tonight at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. Our future track forecast model, though, is showing that heavy rain working across the region this evening at 9 o'clock. Still some of the heavy rain moving through even at 2 o'clock in the morning, and then we'll see those showers and thunderstorms pass off to the south and east of us. Cold front moving on through, and then behind that front we open the door for that cooler air to settle in over the Miami Valley during the day tomorrow. Forecast tonight, showers, thunderstorms, some could be severe this evening, could be some heavy rain too. Overnight low around 63. Chance of some morning showers tomorrow. After that, clouds mixed with a little afternoon sun, cooler, less humid, high around 70. Not much rise in temperature through the day. You can see those temperatures remaining in the 60s, 65 at 7 o'clock in your Storm Team 2 7-day forecast. Cool air with us into the weekend, a high around 70 on Friday, 66 on Saturday, 68 on Sunday, and nighttime lows by Sunday and Monday down into the 40s.